Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they're holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a
There I am, but now I need to be unmuted. Hi, Reseller Road Trip Adventures. Beverly, been thinking about you, my friend. I hope you're feeling better and on the mend. Sashina, Naybell, Baby Bell. Do we have a Baby Bell confirmation? A confirmation of Je Baby Bell. Nice to see you. Jen Regier starting us off early this morning. Hi, Shane. How are you? And Beverly is out of the ICU. Oh, what a great evening. Oh, I'm so thankful and proud of you, Beverly. You're so strong. Good job. Yay. And baby Belle was born on the 12th at 5:10 a.m. Oh, our family is growing. So sweet, you guys. Oh, that's really great news. You've lightened my spirits and changed my mood and given me a brand new attitude. Or the vodka. I don't know which, but we can go with you. Doesn't matter a titch. Anyways, I hope seriously that everybody is doing well. And we do have some court to watch. I've had the craziest day. We're going to talk about it in members only. I got to run some things by. I got to check out my NDAs before I talk about it. But that's how crazy of a day it has been today. Like, I'm going to review my NDA to see. Anyways. I'm so glad that you're here, Shane. I appreciate your comments, and I'm glad to see you. Reseller is at the lake camping. You know, let us not forget that it is still summer. At least where I live, it's still summer. And so, she notices a spider upon her wall. Oh, Sashina. Starts yelling hello, then hello, I need attention, and I want water. And in response, you say, are your legs broken? Well, I think that it's hard to be the bigger person all the time, Sashina. But I would advocate that you can execute better spite by providing the water and the snide comment. But, you know, what did the baby weigh? 6 pounds, 11 ounces, 21 inches long. The pounds and ounces mean something. That's how we still work here. Sashina, honestly, I remove myself from situations now. I used to fight people. We've talked about this many times. If you look up some of my ADHD streams from years past, you'll find me blabbering on about my avoiding fighting now, but I used to fight all the time. Cellulite yoga pants, my friend. As I see your name, I think to myself, reply, reply. I'm sorry, been thinking about your message. Let's head over to this button. Beverly's out of the ICU. That deserves a clap or two. Paisley's rhyming. Oh dear. Let's get going on our court. Was that Vicky? Did I miss Vicky pop in the chat? I'll review in a minute. Get the show going, Paisley. I'm like, I love you guys so much. Anyways, I'm really happy that everybody's doing well tonight. That's made my night. Judge, can we make your day, baby? I gotta change my camera angle. Something's fucked. Judge, I want to try your hairstyle. I believe that I can do it today, and I'm going to try. So if you would grant me permission to try to mimic your hairstyle, I will try it today. She, by being silent, I believe, is giving me permission. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tools that I believe I need while she brings us into court. Judge, could you say something? Please. Please? Hi, Jay.
And what's your name? So just be a minute, a bunch of people logged on with no names. Her name is somebody admitted under Zoom user. I'm gonna send you a request to unmute your device. Oh, I just muted you by mistake. Do it again. All right, ma'am, or what is your name?
Wilma Wilson.
Wilma Wilson, all right. I'll find you here. All right. All right, ma'am, so in the matter of Wilma Wilson versus Paul Wiley, let me let him in. All right, Mr. Wiley, if you could start your video and audio, please. There we go. In the matter of Wilma Wilson versus Paul Wiley, file number 22-50157UE. That matter has been dismissed. We had been adjourning to monitor payments. Evidently, we have compliance at this time, so it's dismissed. So thank you both. You have a good day.
Okay, could I ask one question real quick?
I probably don't have the answer for you, but go ahead.
It shows that I had another hearing on the 15th. I didn't know what that was for.
I don't either. Your notice of hearing should tell you what it's for.
I just seen it online.
Oh,
It's okay.
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 Hold on, Miss Cam, do you see if he's got another hearing?
I'm looking, Your Honor.
Oh my goodness. Whatever I did there made my hair look sort of good. So we're just gonna like hairspray that. This is how I think hairdressers operate. They spray a lot longer than I ever would. That's my theory. A lot of
It appears to be a
spritzing.
show cause.
On a different file?
Same number, but not certain as to what I would have to ask Ms. Sinkowitz.
Okay. Are you able to go ask her? Is she there?
Yes, she is. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very seriously,
All
Beverly.
right,
we
I
don't-
just admitted someone on an
Yeah.
iPhone. I have a picture of a car door.
Okay.
Oh, there you
rude.
are. Go ahead and unmute your device, sir, and let me know your name.
Dion Wilson.
All right, Mr. Wilson, hold on one second. All right, type your name in. All right, let me check one more person. I have one more unknown and make sure it's not Miss
Probably
Folk,
me.
and then I'll call your case.
I'm relatively unknown.
All right, I have somebody on a Samsung device I just admitted. Could you please unmute your device and let me know your name?
Christopher Neese.
All right, I'm gonna change your screen name, Mr. Neese,
Yes, ma'am.
and give us just a moment. So, Ms. Cam, were you able to find out any information?
I was, Your Honor. It appeared that it was a question from Becky to have it moved to the 15th, and so then it's dismissed.
All right, so Mr. Wiley, you're all set. You do not need to appear on the 15th, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Wilson. Thank you, Mr. Wiley.
Thank you.
All right, in the matter of Iona Folk versus Dion Wilson, file number 20-47450 DP. Mr. Wilson, that's been adjourned to September 15, so it looks like payments are being made. So thank you.
I'm unable. I made payments, but I'm unable to make payments right now. I'm just stating for the record because they suspended my Social Security, so I'm trying to get it back started right now.
Okay, so Ms. Cam, can you make a note of that on his file?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Wilson.
All right.
All right,
Oh my
Mr.
gosh,
Neese,
Judge.
in the matter of Ashley Rathbun versus Christopher Neese, file number 2016-43267 DP.
I went to school with so many Ashleys. So many. Is it weird that in my mind, because I don't see anything, when I think of somebody, I sort of think of the spelling of their name, because I always learn how to spell somebody's name when I meet them. But I don't see it. I just like think it, if that makes any sense. Anyways, so I definitely knew like a lot of Ashleys. Ashley and Madeline and Sophie. Oh my god. There was a C as well. I can't remember what the C name was. But regardless, you know, you make your name your own. You own it, and that's what you're given. Some people are gifted, and some people have to deal with that.
Mr. Neese, we are here on a show cause. You're ordered to pay $180 a month in child support. You have an arrearage of $17,454.76, almost double the amount needed for the Attorney General's office to charge you with a felony. The last payment we received was $16.25 on April 2nd of 2025. So, Mr. Neese, do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the very best of your ability?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that if you are found guilty or plead guilty, you could be facing up to 45 days in jail?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand
Yes, ma'am.
that you have a right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
I'm going for an interview today at Discount Tire and then tomorrow at Cliff Buick for my interviews.
Exclamation mark Monday, Judge. We start Monday. We are almost there. Judge. Also, isn't this dress so sweet? My sister lent it to me for my trip. It is so cute.
Okay, all right.
My interview today at Discount Tire is at 12 noon, and then tomorrow or Wednesday, I think, is at Clift is at 9 a.m.
all right.
Cliff Buick.
So I'm gonna adjourn this out to 9:15 at 8 a.m. to find out if you get employed. So 9:15 at 8 a.m. So that will be next week. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You too. Thank you.
He has another case, Judge.
Huh?
He has another case.
Oh, Mr. Neese, hold on. You
She's
got another
following
case.
up on Monday. Oh my gosh,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
guys.
All
For the
right.
first
In the matter
time
of Jessica
in
Curtis versus
forever.
Christopher Neese.
A judge finally followed through. And in the first time in forever, they're trying to see it through. No, seriously, she's calling him in on Monday? That's nuts. Okay, I'm going to have to tune in on Monday to see if he actually got the jobs. What do we think? Do we think Mr. Neese would get one of 2 jobs that he interviewed for today? We'll see. We will see on Monday. Monday? Does he require a shrubbery? He provides a shrubbery with his beard. I can't lie and say that I'm not partial to a bearded man as opposed to like a baldy headed and baldy faced. But that's just my personal opinion.
File number 24-51464 DP. That one's set over to September 22nd. So Mr. Neese, I'll set this one over to September 22nd too. That
Yes,
way
ma'am.
you're together. So September 22nd at 8 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Paperwork for the other one. I don't know why I didn't have paperwork for the other one. All right, so Mr. And Jeff. All right, Mr. McNally, you want to come up to the podium? Let's see who this is.
You just said it was
You
Mr.
can move the
McNally.
microphone up. You're taller
That's
than
not
probably
the
the last
beard I'm
person that was
talking
standing
about.
there. All right, I just admitted someone on a Motorola device and asked you to unmute. Can you unmute your device and tell me your name, please?
My name is Anthony Markle. Can you hear me?
Yep. What's your last name?
Markle, M-A-R-E-C-L-E.
All right, there you go. I've got that. I'll be with you in just a minute, sir. All right,
Alrighty.
so find Mr. McNally. All right, in the matter of Shalisa McAnally versus Michael McAnally, file number 2013-39382DM. Mr. McAnally has appeared in person. Hold on, I got someone on the phone. Let's see what happened. I have somebody who's called in on a phone. Can I ask your name, please?
Sean Lofton.
All right, good morning, Mr. Lofton. I am going to change your name real quick. That's S-E-A-N.
S-H-A-U-N.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, Mr. Lofton, bear with us for just a minute. I'm going to put you in the waiting room and then I'll bring you right back in. All right, so Mr. McAnally states here that you ordered to pay $230 a month in child support. As of today's date, you have an arrearage of $10,571.98. This is your second show cause. We did receive a
let it get out
payment
of
of
control.
$149.07 on May 7 of 2022. You did appear on April 20 or August 21. We discharged your warrant. You were supposed to bring a letter today from your attorney for workers' comp and to make some payments. So where do we stand?
I did contact my lawyer for the disability and the SSI. I'm going through Cooper and Bender.
Did you get a letter?
I didn't get a letter. We did a bunch of paperwork and
Did you tell him I needed a letter?
I did. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I did forget to get
Okay,
that paperwork.
you could go to jail for forgetting to get the letter that I needed.
I know, I am so
Okay.
sorry.
So, and were you able to make any payments?
I do have a few dollars on me today. I can make a payment.
How
for
much?
$25.
All right, why don't you go make that payment and come back up?
Where do I do that?
Front of the court in the garden level or the basement.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
thank you. All right, let's see.
The garden level? That's so bougie. I would like to dine at the garden level. Oh, ma'am, you need your tits properly out if you want to dine at the garden level.
Oh, what's your name?
Ryan Davis.
Ryan Davis?
Yes.
All right. All right, so in the matter of Courtney Ramel, this is a Judge Olsaver file versus Anthony, it's Markle? Is that how you pronounce
ma'am.
it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It looks like okay. A versus Anthony Markle, file number 22-50200 DC. This is a Judge Olsaver file, and it's been adjourned to October 27 at 8 AM. All right.
All righty. Thank you so much, miss.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Ms. McGrain, is anybody logged into Judge Olsaver's Zoom?
The only people who were logged in have since been sent over to your court. I have no one logged in right now.
Okay. All right.
Hi, Brutal Bob.
All right. Are you logged into both?
Hi, Loaded Ranch.
Correct.
All right. Clever girl. All right.
Clever girl. I like it when people call me a clever girl, actually.
Matter of
I like it.
bring Sean Lofton back in. Right, in the matter of Jacqueline Garland versus Sean Lofton, file number 2009-33589 DP. Mr. Lofton, you must be making payments, so good job. And it's been adjourned to October 27 at 8 AM in front of Judge Olsaver, okay?
You guys get your pumpkins
October 27th?
now. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Mr. Lofton.
Hi, Courtney.
Yep, thank you.
I missed you. There was a case about you. You weren't here. You got a warrant.
All right, Mr.
It's okay, I
Love,
took
you
care
want to
of
go
it.
ahead and unmute your device for me, please?
Hello.
Good morning. So this is in the matter of Danielle Noss versus Terrell Love.
Sounds
File
like
number
somebody from
21
Fast and the Furious. That sounds like a love triangle from the Fast and the Furious, doesn't it? Oh my god. Also, when you said that, we should watch the a few like court classics for Christmas this year. Let's do that. Should we do it on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve? That's my question. Would you rather have something to do on Christmas Day or something on Christmas Eve? But let's watch some court classics. I have a few in mind that I'll gather for us together. Anyways, what did they say? Did I already back it up? I hope I did. Let's see, baby.
Good morning. So this is in the matter of Danielle Noss versus Terrell Love, file number 21-48224 DS. Right, I do not, oh, there it is. Okay. So Mr. Love, it states here you're ordered to pay $360 a month in child support. You have an arrearage of $7,497.50. This is your fifth show cause. The last payment we received was July 29.
Cellulite yoga pants. Here's what I might do. I might be willing to gather a few best of moments from that. But there's no way we could watch. That was like 40 hours. That was the part of the reason I didn't take it down. I was like, ma'am, this was a week of my fucking life that I spent. Anyways, like, you lived through this divorce. So did we. So did we live through Birdie's parents' divorce.
$360. So, Mr. Love, are you currently employed?
No, but I just made a payment probably like a week or two ago, like in August.
Mr. Anderson, could you verify an August payment, please?
Paisley's brain, could you verify a
So
caffeine
we actually
deposit,
just got one
please?
on the 3rd
We're depositing.
for $360.
All right, very good, Mr. Love. So, obviously, as soon as you get employment, make sure that you notify the friend of the court, Mr. Anderson, and understand until an income withholding gets put in place, you need to make your payments online. So this is a Judge Olsaver file, so I'm going to set this out to October 6th for you to verify your employment. All right, Mr. Love?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nibble and the baby bell. Did
you say your name was again? 'Cause
I know.
I forget
Period,
instantly.
fence, and
Ryan
period
Davis.
room are also classics. That happened within a week. It was like a glory week. A glory.
There you are. Why don't you come on up?
There's
Right, in the
sometimes
matter
when,
of
like, shit's
Sarah
in the water,
Seeberger versus Ryan Davis, file number 23-51048DS. Mr. Davis is present, Ms. Seeberger is not present. Here we go. So Mr. Davis, this is a Judge Olsaver file. It states here that you're ordered to pay $894 a month in child support. Looks like this was originating back on March 20th of 25. Your arrearage as of today is $14,515.94. So do you understand, once you hit about 10,000, the Attorney General can charge you with a felony? Say it louder.
Okay.
Yes. All right. So, and that has a maximum penalty of up to 4 years in prison.
Say it louder. Say it louder. Do you hear how she said that? Dominatrix much? Ma'am. Ma'am. Taking notes. Literally taking a fucking note, Judge. Let's listen again.
Hit about 10,000, the Attorney General can charge you with a felony. Say it louder.
Okay.
Yes. All right. So, and that has a maximum penalty of up to 4 years in prison. So this is your fifth show cause. Let's see, on August 4, $4,975 was added for unpaid birthing expenses that Mr. Davis was required to reimburse. There's an income withholding in place. We got a payment of $244.25 back on August 27. Are you still working at the place you were working at when they calculated your child support at $894?
It's actually went up, and I'm working at Inside Out Renovations, and then I'm paying $275 a week, so it's over $1,000 a month, I think.
Is it coming out of your check?
Yes, it is.
So you,
Every week.
do you have more than one child support case?
No.
Okay, so, Ms. Cam, what's the weekly amount that's coming out of child support?
One moment. It is $244.25.
So he's making his payments?
Yes, he is, Your Honor.
So why is he here?
So why are we here today?
The income withholding just took place on August 22nd.
But he's making his payments.
Yes.
So am I dismissing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we'll
Big D.
dismiss
Woo!
this
We've gotten
and
so
go
many
back to you.
big D's.
So do I have court at 10:30 this morning as well too?
Does he have a friend of court referee hearing?
No, I thought I was being sued.
Sir,
by
why
Sarah.
is everybody fucking it up, blocking your blessings?
Let me see, is this an Olsaver file? Ms. McGrain, did Judge Olsaver have a 10:30 this morning with Ryan Davis.
Judge, I don't have a copy of what was adjourned, but he can check in with the clerk's office.
Okay, step down at the end of the hall for the clerk's office. Judge Olsaver's docket was adjourned today. So if you did have a 10:30, it probably got adjourned, but if you go down to the end of the hall, across the elevator, ask them if they have notice of your next court date.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. All right. So in the matter of Michelle Say versus Julius Chase, file number 2006-30137 DP. That matter is adjourned to September 15. In the matter of Derek Dusso versus Jessica Dusso, file number 2006-30500 DM. That matter is adjourned to September 29. Oh, Mr. Anderson and Miss Cam, we also had a couple FOC pickups. I think it was Rachel Chauvin and Dwayne Harris. Do you know if somebody was bringing me paperwork?
Yes, Michelle Stevenson did.
Okay, is it? Okay, let me check the whole one. In the matter of Javita Rojo versus Joshua Donald, file number 2008-33089 DP. That matter has been adjourned to September 29. In the matter of Tiffany Aceves versus Dennis Handshoe, file number 2009-33817 DS. That matter has been adjourned to September 15 at 8 a.m. In the matter of Kayla Forrest versus Blake Rinke, file number 2010-35508 DP. That matter has been adjourned to September 15. In the matter of Rachel Dusso versus Derek Dusso, file number 14-40496 DM. That matter has been adjourned to September 29. In the matter of Ashley LaFontaine versus Chad, I think LaFountain, file number 2014.
As usual, another Ashley fucking something up. Good night, Beverly. I'm so happy to hear that you are out of the ICU. That is such good news. Please continue to be well and get better. We love you very much. And you've been on my mind, so I'm glad that that is the case. William! Yeah, barely. Actually, I probably do look classy, right? I'm trying to look classy. This is not my outfit. My sister had to give me this outfit. Nobody's leaving now that you showed up. Don't worry. Beverly is in the hospital. She's excused. Nobody questions her. Understood? I am not to be fucked with today. Baby! Pre-warning.
-40674 DM. Mr. LaFountain was ordered to appear. Ms. McGrain has verified he's neither in Judge Olsaver's Zoom waiting room or mine. So he was ordered to pay $262 a month in child support. As of today's date, his arrears continue to go up, $11,675. I don't even know if we've had a payment from him. Is he still in prison, Jeff Anderson?
I don't believe so. No, he was out on the last hearing.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, he's
no excuse
failed
then.
to appear. Do we know that he had notice for today? Yeah, because he was here in person, or?
Correct.
Okay, so I will issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear. And I'll set bond in the amount of 500 cash. Right, in the matter of Dakota Maxon
No, I'm trying to
versus
learn how to
Isidore
look classy,
Casares,
William.
file
How do
number
I look? How
2018
classy do I look?
45159 DS. That matter has been adjourned to September 15 at 8 a.m.
A little less cleave, or
Joint,
am I
Rhonda, you
classy,
see the paperwork
classy
for,
enough?
Morris, right?
Huh?
Rhonda?
Yes, I did. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay. Yeah. And you should have just received the paperwork on the rest of them, Ms. Underwood. From Becky.
Fucking Becky. It's a good idea, cellulite of the pants. Or I should just buy them. I haven't got anything from my Amazon wish list in the last like 6 months, 7 months, maybe? I think it was broken and now I'm not sure that it works. Judge, you're killing me here. I was trying to do like the Saturday night thing and now you're sort of fucking me over and I'm wishing I had just gone
Hey,
out.
this is Judge Ann's mom. So I'm ready on Robert Morris, Rachel Chauvin.
So, and who did you say the first one was?
Robert Morris.
NPC. It's a dress, William. I'm pretty sure.
Anybody else?
Rachel Chauvin, Michael Madrid, and I thought there was one more. Hold on. Nope, those three. So I'm ready on them.
Okay, we will start getting those ones in for you.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Okay, so you made your payment, right?
I did.
Okay.
It was only 20. She said there was a $7 charge to use my card. That would have put me in the hole. I wouldn't have had it to cover it. So I did make a $20 payment.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna set this out 2 weeks and I need a letter from your attorney. There's no reason they won't write a letter.
I didn't ask. I'm so sorry.
Well, you have to be responsible for this. So I'm gonna adjourn this out to September 22nd. And I want a letter. If you bring the letter in to your caseworker, they can dismiss the show cause, all right?
Thank you.
All right, so September 22nd at 8 AM, okay?
22nd?
8 AM. Thank you.
Thank you.
My bad mood is seeping back in,
Your
you
Honor,
guys.
what
How
happened
can I
down in
change it?
Anthony Ford?
These ladies are not helping.
Spell the last name.
Ford.
I don't know.
You haven't called Judge.
I-
It's Judge Olsavers.
It's a Judge Olsaver one. I haven't called those
I
yet.
don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
All right. Amanda Wood versus Stephen Wood, file number 20-47464 DM. That's been adjourned to September 15. David Shords versus Jessica Shords, file number 20-47465 DM has been adjourned to September 29. Linda Willett versus Derek Dusso, file number 22-49336 DS has been adjourned to September 29 at 8 AM. Brittany Coley versus Jamie Vanzo, file number 24-51483 DS has been adjourned to September 15 at 8 AM. Move on to Judge Olsaver's docket. Colleen Diaz versus John Diaz, file number 2012-37641 DM has been adjourned to October 6th. In the matter of Janelle Henley versus Juan Espinoza, file number 2006-29972 DP. That matter has been adjourned to October 6th. In the matter of Danielle Lewis versus Jonathan, it's either Hasso or Jaso, but I think it's Hasso because it's JASSO. Ms. Fay?
That's fine.
Is that fine?
Yes, Judge.
2008-33312 DS, October 6th at 8 AM. In the matter of Rosalind Reyes versus Anthony Ford, file number 1996-18024 DP. I don't have paperwork on that one. Does anybody know what happened with that one?
Adjourned to October 25th for Ms. Cam.
What do you have?
Ms. Cam said it was adjourned to October 25th.
I can't hear you,
That
but
was
can you show me?
Yeah, it was adjourned to October 25th. We received an email this morning.
Oh, that's been adjourned to October 25 at 8 a.m. That's not a Monday, though.
That's what she had.
Who had Anthony Ford? Who's caseworker on that one?
I believe it was Tammy.
So October 25 is not a Monday, it's a Saturday. So I'm assuming they met October 27.
Yeah, correct.
Judge, I have
right.
that as October 22nd.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't know why that's a Wednesday.
When do we want it adjourned to?
The 27th will probably work just fine.
Okay, we'll put it down for October 27 at,
Sorry, Your Honor. I did reschedule it to October 20th, late Friday.
okay, October 20th at 8 a.m. So in the matter of Rosalinda Reyes versus Anthony Ford, October 20th at 8 a.m. In the matter of Sarah Seeberger versus Ryan Davis, did we already do that?
Yeah, we did. We dismissed it.
I just missed that one. Yeah, hopefully he didn't have to miss work to come in. All right. In the matter of Paige Toole versus Matthew Cadell, file number 17-44763 DP. Mr. Cadell was ordered to appear. He's failed. Hey, just a question. Do you know if Matthew Cadell is in custody?
Let me see what I got. What's the last name?
Cadell, C-A-D-D-E-L-L.
Fern? Where? I don't think so. Go check.
No? Okay, thank you.
Yep.
All right, so, Mr. Cadell was ordered to appear. He's failed to do so. He's supposed to pay $574 a month in child support. As of today's date, he has an arrearage of $7,155.42. He hasn't made a voluntary payment since June of last year. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear, and I'm going to set bond in the amount of $3,000. All right, so that concludes, I believe, Judge Olsaver's FLC show cause docket. Let's see who this guy is. It's probably him. But it's not. All right, Mr. LeBeau. You look like an attorney. What case are you coming in on?
I'm glad I look like one. I am here on the, well, I guess it'd be the Karn motion to approve settlement.
Okay, that's at 9 o'clock, so we'll be with you shortly.
Okay, very good.
Thank you. All right, so now I'm just waiting for the jail. Be right back, Rhonda. We'll wait for the jail.
How long's she gonna be gone for? Judge, you gotta come back. You can't leave me hanging like this. I'm about to take another good picture and you just like caught me out. Can you say something? Finally? we got somebody in the jail. Thank God.
All
Look
right.
at that mullet.
Could I ask your name to the person
Gifted
who
with
just
a
came into the
mullet.
jail room?
Watch the tuck behind the ears of the mullet as it comes in. That is our gift on this Saturday evening. You're fucking welcome. None of it's in stock, NPC. What about the new one? Cellulite yoga pants, like the 2025 one. I thought we set up a... I hate Amazon sometimes. Usually every 2 weeks I don't.
All right. Could I ask your name to the person who just came into the jail room?
Rachel.
All right, hold on a second. Let me get your paperwork. Ms. Underwood, there are 2 files on this one. So this is in the matter of Adam Rodriguez versus Rachel. And how do you pronounce your last name?
Chauvin.
Chauvin. File number 22-49335DS. And then I have, and on that file, you're ordered to pay $273 a month in child support. Your arrearage as of today's hearing is $9,872.12. The last payment we received was November 2nd of 2023. You appeared with Ms. Underwood on that file on August 11 of 25. An income withholding was issued and the show cause was adjourned to August 25, and you failed to appear and a bench warrant was issued. That's like the 4th or 5th bench warrant this year. And you haven't paid any money since November of 23 on that file. And then we have Rachel Chauvin, I'm not going to pronounce it right, I'm sorry, versus Brandon Waters, file number 14-40757. DS on that file, ma'am, you're
I
ordered to
will
pay
work on that
$98.
tonight because I literally renamed that because it was new stuff, but I will check into it. And thank you so much for trying. And I hope you like that last picture. Also, is that a man bun? Did I miss a fucking man bun because I'm too busy on my phone? Oh my God. What's gotten into me? What has gotten into me?
Month, you have an arrearage of $4,003.15. The last payment amount was $8.75 on November 2nd of 23. Ms. Underwood was present with you back on August 11 again. We had, let's see, an income withholding was issued and the matter was adjourned to August 25. We never received any money and you didn't show up and a bench warrant was issued. So Ms. Underwood, you formally represented her. So would you like a breakout room with her again?
Just briefly.
All right, Ms. Chauvin, obviously you are facing up to 90 days in jail if you plead guilty or are found guilty. So I'm going to open up a breakout room and assign you and Miss Underwood. And let me find you. What room are you in? You're in Lenawee County Jail. Every room is named something different. So, yeah. All right, go ahead and join that breakout room.
Oh my God, can we thank the king that I sent that photo
And
to,
Mr.
please?
Madrid, let me grab your file. So in the matter of Abigail Craig versus Michael Anthony Madrid Jr., file number 20-47630DS. Mr. Madrid, we are here on bench warrant pickup for failure to appear and failure to pay. States here you're ordered to pay $342 a month in child support. At the time of the original show cause, your balance was $15,773.50. That was back on, that's a typo, I'm assuming. I don't know whose file this is, but I'm assuming that's November 25 of 24.
Yeah, I believe that's what they meant.
Okay, as of today's date, your rearage is $19,195.30. You have 4 prior show causes. So, Mr. Madrid, you also failed to appear on July 14 of 2025. So you're facing a maximum penalty if you were to plead guilty or be found guilty of contempt of court of 93 days. And then failure to pay child support carries a maximum of up to 90 days in jail. So you are at the felony level for the Attorney General to charge you with a felony child support case. So, Mr. Madrid, you do have a right to have an attorney represent you here today in all subsequent hearings. If you can't afford to hire one, you can appoint one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
Yes, please.
Okay, so Mr. Madrid, just bear with us for a moment. And Ms. Underwood is speaking to somebody else right now. So give us just a minute.
Ms. Angelo?
Yes.
My bond was 6,000 when I first came in here the other day. Can you run that by me? I don't understand how that works.
Well, when you failed to appear, a bench warrant got issued. So I don't have a name on this case. Whose case is this?
Abigail Crimmins?
Jeff?
Yeah, this is mine.
Is his bond, what is his bond on this one at the time of the bench warrant?
6,000.
It's because you failed to appear and hadn't made payments. So at the time, your bond was set at about half or a third, maybe.
So that's no 10%, I'm guessing?
I don't do 10%. I do whatever I think is appropriate.
I understand. See, the only mix up I got was
hold on, you've asked for court appointed counsel, so we're not going to talk about it anymore. 10% is for like a PR bond or, you know, like a bond such as that. That doesn't apply
I
to
like a
friend
man
court.
who shows up.
Something
I
closes,
don't
break
care
out.
less about his
Mr.
hair
Madrid, you asked for court appointed counsel, so we're going to stop talking. So, and when Miss Underwood is done with this client, we will, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, and when we're done with this one, I'll bring you back in. All right, so, Miss Underwood, have you had a chance to speak with your client?
Yes, I have.
How would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, Ms. Chauvin is working with a series of entities getting employment and housing.
She's working with who? Who is she working with?
Who are you working with, Rachel?
I'm at Share the Warmth right now with a deadline of next week to be removed from there. And then I'm also working through LEAC Housing Help, and I'm also working through Michigan Works as well as CMH for my mental health.
And she needs 2 weeks to get a paycheck, actually, from a job, Your Honor. She
It's usually more like 3.
didn't understand the court date. She's asking for a 2-week extension, Your Honor. And then if she hasn't got her crap together, in her words, throw the book at her.
That's what I said. I would expect you to. I just need a little bit more time. All of my deadlines hit at the same time.
Okay, so this is a Judge Olsaber file. His next available is October 6th.
She needs a minute, Mikey, just like Streamlabs. Who thinks that that was your first super chat? Thanks, though. How's it going? It's okay. Could be so much better, but it's not. But that's okay. Thank you. Streamlabs, come see me later, please. I have time.
So I will set this over to October 6th at 8 a.m. I'm going to release you on a PR bond. Ms. Chauvin, you're running out of options. All right. If you don't, if you fail to appear and you don't stay in contact with your caseworker, understand that you're looking at a jail term or possibly a felony case. Do you understand?
I do understand that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're all set.
Thanks.
All right, Ms. Underwood,
Thank you,
Mr.
Ellen.
Madrid has requested court-appointed counsel. So I'm gonna open up a breakout room for you and Mr. Madrid. And Mr. Madrid is in Zoom 3.
Mr. Madrid sounds
All
like a
right, Ms.
holiday.
Underwood and
Do you wanna
Mr.
go to
Madrid, go ahead and join that breakout room.
She's still crying. No, I can't go to Mr. Madrid. I have to pay all my court fees. I can't go. You guys go. Have a really good time. What do you got next, Judge? I thought there was sentencing today. I was lured. I was lured. Day Beyonce. Who's moving where? Cellulite Yoga Pants? That's a literal toss-up. It's so funny.
Well, from what I can tell.
Judge, you gotta... I had the craziest day, by the way. Craziest day. Judge, you can't even...
All right, I'll close that breakout room, Ms. Underwood. All right, Ms. Underwood, we are back with Mr. Madrid. How would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Madrid's behalf. Mr. Madrid has not only this child, but he has custody of an infant that he is a single parent to. Also, Mr. Madrid, I believe, has $1,000 at the jail that he can put on his child support, Your Honor. So I would ask that that be done and Mr. Madrid be given a PR bond and this matter either be dismissed or another day.
And I'll still come to my court hearings.
Okay, well, you didn't come to your court hearing, so that's part of the reason. Mr. Madrid, listen to me. My husband had 5 kids and still made his child support payments. So I don't care how many babies you got at home, you still got to get a job and support them, do whatever. So, Mr. Madrid, you know, you can pay the $1,000 at the jail, but I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. I'm going to set this over to October. Let me see when Judge Olsiver has his dates. October 27. I'm going to set your bond at $10,000. Mr. Anderson, there's a way to get that from the jail, correct? Or $1,000, I mean, from the jail.
Correct.
All right, I'll set your bond at $1,000 and that can be paid through the jail. They know how to do that. And then I'll set it over to October 27 at 8 a.m. And then when you come back, you need to have a job. You understand? Okay, so, and that's in front of Judge Olsiver. That's not my file. So, thank you.
Thank you.
You're all set. You can go. All right, so now we're waiting on Robert Morris, Miss Underwood.
And then do we have
Thank you, Paul.
Dewan
That's sweet. I appreciate that.
Harris?
And welcome.
Yeah, Becky, did we not get paperwork on Dewan Harris?
I'm sorry?
Yeah, I think I have that file already ready. Is it not? in here?
Okay. Oh, is he in jail? I don't think I called for him.
He's a booking.
Oh, he's a booking. I got him. He was with the file with my other files, so. Hey, this is Judge Anslow. You guys also have Dewan Harris?
Yeah, need him next.
I do, and him and Robert Morris.
Moore, okay, Moore should be upstairs for you already in the courtroom. We will get Harrison for you next.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. I have Jail Zoom 2 connected. If you're in there, unmute your device, start your video.
I'm already on video. I'm Paisley. I'm not in jail. I'm in Canada. Everybody can hear me in the house. Always. Everybody's yelling in the house. Funny, I actually have a stream thing that shows me when my microphone's going, but I double checked. You did get me a little bit. Cellulite yoga pants. You're fucking hilarious. Judge, you are killing me.
Substances now. M30. And so this is, hold on. 1 second. Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus, no, that's not you. Go to the other one. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Dewan Pfeiffer Harris, file number 25-22314FH. Mr. Harris, we are here on a motion affidavit and bench warrant. It states here that it alleges that you were arrested and lodged on September 4 after Michigan State Police Rhino observed the defendant doing 3 hand-to-hand narcotic sales in Adrian. The search warrant was executed at his residence and oxycodone, fentanyl, possible M30 pills, and 2 guns were seized. So those are the allegations against you, Mr. Harris. This is a Judge Olsaver file. So basically what this comes down to is this would be a bond violation and not to have any illegal controlled substances, not to commit any crimes. So understand that contempt of court can carry up to 93 days in jail, but it also can impact the underlying bond on your case. Mr. Harris, were you by any chance arraigned on any new charges? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Harris, I'm looking, who's your attorney? Let me look. I don't know who your PD was. Hold on.
Your Honor, it's Mr. Malero. I'm prepared to handle this morning.
All right. So, Mr. Harris, Mr. Malaro is your attorney on the underlying felony. I have Rhonda Underwood here who handles my contempt of courts and pickups. So, would you like her appointed to represent you today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to assign, hold on a second, Rhonda Underwood to speak with you and go ahead and join that breakout room. You went automatically. Okay. So in the matter of Brittany Karn as personal representative for the estate of Cole Weber versus Matt Kester and Fremont Insurance. Well, oh, I guess I should have read front. Brittany Karn is personal representative for the estate of Cole Weber deceased versus Aisha Fox, personal representative for the estate of Robert Lee Fox deceased, and Anita M. Taylor, personal representative for the estate of Jaden Jesus Taylor deceased. Intervening plaintiffs. Nicole Hurley as personal representative of the estate of Ryan W. Shirley deceased, intervening plaintiffs versus Matthew Allen Kester, Fremont Insurance Company and Michigan Corporation, Progressive Michigan Insurance Company, a Michigan corporation and ESNL LLC. This is file number 24-7287, and I have Brandon, where you at? Is it Abro or Abro?
How many
Abro,
Brandons
Judge.
did I go to school
Abro,
with?
Abro,
So many
sorry.
Brandons.
Appearing on behalf of plaintiff Weber. I'm looking. I have,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I don't know.
Matt.
Are you on
I
this
had
case,
a really
Mr.
busy
Flexner?
day.
I am. I'm
Nobody's
here for
asked about it.
defendant Coaster.
That's fine.
Okay,
Oh, you posted
and
a
then
second baby
Mr.
window. Oh my
LeBeau.
gosh.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matt LeBeau on behalf of defendant Fremont.
All right, and Kay Smith is here. Any other attorneys that should be here today? No? All right, so this is the date and time set for a motion by plaintiff to approve settlement. So, Mr. Abro?
Yes, Judge. My client was just on and I think it kicked her off.
Oh, no, I've got her back. She's back in my waiting room. Let me let her in. Here she comes.
My day was really shitty. Thank you for asking. Really.
All right.
Really.
Okay, Brittany Carn, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. All right, Mr. Ebro. Or who's ready to proceed?
I believe he's on mute.
I'm here and I'm not
You're
muted.
muted, Mr. Ebro. I don't think you can hear us either.
Also, I have to check on my NDA to see if I.
All right, I'm gonna chat him because
talk
I don't
about
think
my
he can
day,
hear
to
us.
be honest.
Oh, now we lost him.
Yes, Mikey, when you read the chat, you learn so much. We've known Naybell has been
All right,
expecting
Mr.
Baby Bell for a while.
Ebro, you back?
Sorry about that, Judge. Can you hear me okay?
Brittany means
Yes, we
fucking
can hear
business.
you.
Thank you very much, Judge. Today is plaintiff Brittany Carn on behalf of the estate of Cole Weber's motion to approve settlement and distribution of proceeds. Brittany Carn is here today. She was appointed by this court PR for purpose of having a letter of authority. And if the court can swear her in, we can take proofs.
All right, Ms. Carn, can you raise your right hand for me? Thank you. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Brittany.
All right, so you're kind of popping a little bit, so can you kind of sit closer? State your name again.
Brittany Lee Carn.
Excellent.
Stay right there. Thank you. Mr. Abro?
Thank you very much. Ms. Carter, is it true that you have been named personal representative of the estate?
Yes.
All right. And that is through your son. What is his name?
Colt Lee Weber.
Okay. And that is the biological son.
We have a
Cole
Lee,
Weber?
everybody,
Yes.
ladies and gentlemen. A Lee. Wee.
All right. You do understand that we have brought obviously a lawsuit with regards to this wrongful death claim, correct?
Yes.
All right. And you understand that we have reached a settlement for this accident?
Yes.
All right. You do understand there's been multiple parties involved. So there's multiple settlements or distribution of the available policy limits, correct?
Yes.
All right. And you've had an opportunity to review the motion,
Yes.
and you have also seen that your counsel or the estate's counsel has sent waiver and consents directed to all the members of the estate, correct?
Yes.
And are you okay with the distribution of the estate?
Yes.
All right. And we do have your son, Colt's proceeds, the bulk of the proceeds going to a structured settlement, correct?
Yes.
You had an opportunity to review the structured settlement and the plan for him for when he turns of age?
Yes.
Is that when he needs
There
to
is
call
also one
JG
other
Wentworth? When his structural, I can't even fucking talk. Oh my god. That is the day I've been having, you wouldn't believe. Is that when he can call JG Wentworth about his structured settlement? but he needs cash now. Isn't that how it goes? You know, in Canada, we get a lot of American, or we used to get a lot of American channels. And so I even knew that. I even knew that one. I did.
Minor, Braden Weber, you had an opportunity to view those documents.
Yes.
And do you believe this settlement is in the best interest of the estate?
Yes, sir.
You understand we could have gone to trial, received more or less or nothing at all?
Yes.
Judge, those are the questions I have. Thank you very much.
All right. Mr. LeBeau, any questions?
Just real quick, ma'am, you understand by settling this case that you've, on behalf of the estate, are releasing all claims against Fremont Insurance Company for uninsured and underinsured motorist benefits related to this motor vehicle accident?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Flexter.
Similar question, ma'am. You understand by accepting this, these settlement proceeds, you're waiving any and all future claims or any claims whatsoever against Matthew Coaster?
Yes.
That's all I have, Judge.
All right.
Matthew,
Okay.
what did you do, Matthew?
Anything else, Mr. Evero?
No, Judge, I did attach a guardian ad litem report. That's Exhibit C. I've attached the waiver consent form sent to all the estates for them to appear today. That has been attached as Exhibit B. And then our proposed order is attached as Exhibit D, outlining the distribution. But that is all.
Yep, I do have Exhibit D, and Mr. LeBeau, you've seen that exhibit and the order?
Yes, Your Honor. That, and I
Any
have no, I have no objection.
And Mr. Flexter?
No objections, Judge.
All right, very good. Well, I will sign that and grant your motion to approve the settlement.
Thank you, Judge.
Is there anything else we need to address on this file today?
That is all. I don't know if you want us to file, oh, there's other co-plaintiffs that are be filing their motion to approve, so would it be closed today? So, no, that's all. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you all.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Take care.
You as well.
What do you got left for us, Judge? We're closing
All right,
it
Ms.
up.
Underwood, let me bring
Again.
Mr. Harris back.
Yeah, let's bring Mr. Harris back and finish it up.
All right, we are back on the record with Mr. Harris. Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea as to the bond violation in this matter. I believe when it comes down to it, this may ultimately end up being a case of who shot John. Not much to it, Your Honor. Mr. Harris.
Say that again, this may end up a case of what?
Be a case of who shot John. Nothing to it, Your Honor. But I would ask the court to plead Mr. Harris not guilty. And does Judge Olsaver have a docket on Wednesday, Your Honor?
I don't know. Ms. McGrain or Ms. Adams, did Judge Olsaver have a docket on Wednesday?
He is gone all week, Judge.
No, he does not. I can set it for next Wednesday.
Thank you, Your Honor. And as to the issue of bond, Your Honor, Mr. Harris has passed all his drug tests. He has appeared for court. I think the bond in this matter is excessive based on Mr. Harris's record for attending court, Your Honor. We would ask, considering he does have to wait a week, Your Honor, for the court to grant a reduction in the bond, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Underwood,
Shelley.
obviously, Mr. Harris, isn't in front of me. Mr. Coast, he was testing with you and, any input?
Judge, he was testing clean, but the allegations are very serious. So I say we leave the bond alone and let Judge Olsaver deal with it next Wednesday.
So, Ms. Underwood, Mr. Harris has 2 counts of delivery manufactured less than 50 grams with a double penalty for controlled substance. So he's facing a maximum penalty of 40 years, or if we throw in the habitual offender 4th offense notice, he's looking at a sentence of life. And then his prior record, he has an armed robbery, a felony firearm, prisoner possession of a weapon, MDOP, and possession of methamphetamine. So, you know, these allegations are quite serious in light of the charges and also his prior records. So I am not going to reduce the bond at this time, and I will set this over to be reviewed by Judge Olsaver on October 17 at 8:15. I'll enter a plea of not guilty. You're all set, Mr. Harris.
Judge, do you mean September?
Oh, yeah, September 17th. Sorry about that. All right. So that would be September 17th. All right, you're all set, Mr. Harris.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Underwood, all we have left is Robert Scott Morris. So we're waiting
Last
on him.
case.
That's correct.
Last call, ladies and gentlemen. Get your last little court cases in, because after that, I am turning it off. Get your last gambles. Get your last slots. Get your last slots.
All right, in the matter of
Lights will
Kristen
go
Nicole
on.
Smith versus Brandon Keith Smith, file number 25-52379DS. I have Ashley Hanson Grimes appearing on behalf of the plaintiff and Daniel Lipsitz appearing on behalf of the defendant. This is the date and time scheduled for an objection to the front of the court. Hold on, I think I got an, oh, let me see. I think I have an inmate walking in, so I gotta take care of that one if they pop
My
in.
client has a hearing via Zoom. She should be in the waiting room now.
Oh, she's already in the room. Yep, I let her in. Ms. Smith, you want to start your video and your audio? There you go. Thank you. And let me see if the jail's gonna bring. Oh, never mind. All right, sir, are you Mr. Morris?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is in the man, I missed him, he's wearing a dark shirt. Yeah, Mr. Morris, we are here today on, let's see, a motion affidavit and bench warrant for contempt of court for failure to appear for a pretrial in front of Judge Olsaver on September 3rd of 2025. So, Mr. Morris, I don't know, Ms. Underwood, are you on this one? I don't know who his attorney is. Mr. Morris, who's your attorney on your file?
I'm not sure.
Okay, Ms. Underwood,
Yes, I'll handle this, Your Honor.
all right, so Mr. Morris, failure to appear is a contempt of court and you could be facing up to 93 days in jail. So, Mr. Morris, would you like an attorney to represent you on the contempt of court?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Underwood, I'm gonna pop you in a breakout room with him. I'll give you a moment to talk.
But you're killing me. Also,
Go ahead and join that breakout room. I'm gonna go off live stream so I can start my family docket.
oh, bitch, we wanted the family docket. You stupid bitch. I mean, allegedly, in my opinion. Stop it, Paisley. Stop being rude. Oh, my wall is showing where I have a sign that says, "Don't quit." Is this a bathrobe? No, it's not, Brooklyn. I've stood up a couple times, but I'll do it again. It's a cute little dress. Also, I'm slimming down quite nicely, so I fit into it perfectly. It is not a bathrobe, I promise. But I think I might wear it with jeans on my trip for more appropriateness. You know, I'm not trying to pick anybody up on my trip. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. What a wonderful night. I love our little community. I'm so glad that Beverly's doing better. I'm so glad that Baby Bella is born. Baby Bella born. Baby Bella born. Thank you so much. Mikey, thank you so much for the $5. I very much appreciate that. Definitely next month on the 21st, I will extra appreciate that. And thank you to everybody for liking the video. That's so helpful. YouTube Daddy is like obsessed with the likes and the comments. You know how he is. You know how he is. I can really only try and please like 2 masters. So do me a favor, help me out with that. Anyways, oh, you're so sweet, Jen. Also, you started out my morning. I posted this live at 8:30 in the morning or 7:30 in the morning, and so I'm so thankful that you guys figured it out and came here. I appreciate you. In the meantime, do me a favor, remember that I love you and I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
Yeah, go watch John. I don't know what that button was.